Hey guys, I'm Michael Duenas and I'm here in New York City with Aloxxi launching Bombshell. It's being launched to the press for the first time for an editor event. I'm really excited to show you how to get texture, how to get volume, and a whole bunch of movement in the hair. So right here, we're going to apply from our scalp all the way to the ends. And you can give a really good spray all over. It's not going to get hard, it's not going to get crunchy, and it gives you a beautiful, beautiful texture. So then hold that for me, please. I'm going to be showing you with my flat iron how to get the perfect texture. So right now we're set at about 390, 370, just because we don't want to be too warm on the hair. Smooth the hair first, and we're going to do a flat S wave. Start with your first C shape, heat the hair up, and then come down and work in a different S, all the way down. And we're going to go to the section next to it. The messier the section, the more texture that you will get. And we're going to now put a little more bend, just to mix up the wave. From there, another horizontal section. And I want to spray my Bombshell on. It's going to protect up to 450 degrees and protect from the sun as well. Not only adds perfect texture, but it adds a nice healthy sheen to the hair too. We're going to mix up our wave and rock our iron back and forth. This way we're going to get a little bit more of a distressed wave running through the hair. Again, rock our iron back and forth. And I'm going to continue this method all the way through, just varying each section to really build up that texture that we want. So I'll finish one more section so you can really see the movement that we get. Again, take and create a C and work all the way down to the ends. Open and close your iron quickly, and this will really help give you a very pretty movement. And shake the hair out. And you get a beautiful, distressed, voluminous texture using your flat iron. I'm really excited to show you guys what Bombshell can do. It is my absolute favorite product, and I can't speak highly about it enough. Thank you for joining. I am Michael Duenas. Please follow me at Michael Duenas on Instagram.